World Wetland Day. According to Francis Bonnike, an environmental activist and writer, healthy forests and wetlands stand sentry against the dangers of climate change, absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and locking it away in plants, root systems, and soil. Respected principal, beloved teachers, and my dear friends, World Wetland Day is celebrated on 2nd February each year to raise global awareness about the vital role of wetlands for people and our planet. The theme of World Wetlands Day 2021 is Wetlands and Water, to highlight on wetlands as a source of fresh water and encourages actions to restore wetlands and stop their loss. We are facing a growing freshwater crisis that threatens people and our planet. The 2021 campaign underlines the contribution of wetlands to the quantity and quality of fresh water on our planet. Water and wetlands are connected in an inseparable coexistence that is vital to life and our planet. As it is very essential to protect wetlands, let me ask you a question. Do you know what are wetlands? Wetlands are a distinct ecosystem flooded with water, either permanently or seasonally. The primary factor that distinguishes wetlands from other landforms is the characteristic vegetation of aquatic plants adapted to the unique hydric soil. The water in wetlands is either fresh water or salt water. Wetlands can be inland, coastal, and man-made. Inland wetlands include ponds, lakes, fens, rivers, and swamps. Coastal wetlands consist of saltwater marshes, mangroves, lagoons, and coral reefs. Fish ponds, rice fields, and salt pans are man-made wetlands. The largest wetlands include the Amazon River Basin, the West Siberian Plain, and the Sundarbans in the Ganges-Brahmaputra Delta. World Wetlands Day raises global awareness about the importance of protecting and restoring wetlands, which are beneficial for not only humans but also all sorts of organisms in the world. In order to protect wetlands, we need to control the ecological problems affecting wetlands like construction, pollution, and overpopulation. Whenever we look into a water body, a wetland is in observation. As a responsible person, we should protect wetlands, and this is why we celebrate World Wetlands Day. Thank you one and all. Have a nice day.